Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, depending on when you are reading. So, today we're talking about electronic configuration. You understand? So, electronic configuration we know is the arrangement of electrons in orbitals. Arrangement of electrons in orbitals. That's what we call electronic configuration. How electrons are arranged in orbitals. Meanwhile, orbital is a place where there is a high probability of finding an electron. A place where one can easily find an electron is called orbital. Are we together? An arrangement of that of electrons in those orbitals where we can find electrons are called electronic configuration. Are we together now? Good. Now there are four types of orbitals. Four types of orbitals. Types of orbital. There are four types of orbital. Number one is s orbital. Now you'll be writing because I won't be writing everything here. S orbital. S orbital is the first orbital in the configuration of elements. It has only one atomic orbitals and contains the maximum of two electrons. Maximum of two electrons. That means S orbital takes maximum two electrons. It can be more less than two, but it must not exceed two. Maximum of two electrons. Now, s orbital is orbital that starts every configuration. Every configuration. Once you want to enter energy level, we have energy level 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 like that. Every new energy level, s orbital initiates the configuration. Every new energy level, s orbital starts the configuration. Are we there now? Good. Number two, we have p orbital. P orbital. P orbital is the second orbital in the configuration of an element. It takes, it has three atomic orbitals. It has three atomic orbitals, each orbital containing two electrons. It has three atomic orbitals, each orbital containing two electrons arranged in opposite spin. P orbital contains the maximum of 6 electrons. It takes the maximum of 6 electrons. 6 electrons. The maximum of 6 electrons. Number 3 is d orbital. D orbital. D orbital has 5 atomic orbitals, each of the orbital containing 2 electrons arranged in opposite spin. D orbital takes the maximum of 10 electrons. 10 electrons. The fourth one, the final one is f orbital. F orbital is the last orbital in the configuration of elements. Are we there? Good. It has it has 7 atomic orbitals. It has 7 atomic orbitals. Each of the 7 atomic orbitals takes the maximum of 2 electrons. Each of the 7 atomic orbitals take 2 electrons. So that means that f orbital contains the maximum of 14 electrons. Maximum 14 electrons. So this is how it goes. S orbital 2 electrons, p orbital 6 electrons, d orbital 10 electrons, f orbital 14 electrons. S orbital 1 atomic orbital, p orbital 3 atomic orbital, each containing 2 electrons. If you multiply it, you get 6. D orbital, how many? 5 atomic orbitals, each of the orbital containing 2 electrons. Multiply it, you get 10 electrons. F orbital containing 7 atomic orbitals, each of the orbital containing 2 electrons. We multiply it, you get 14 electrons. These are the 4 orbitals we have in electronic configuration. Is it clear? That is good.